How can I format a decimal to always show 2 decimal places? I want to display 49 as 49.00 and 54.9 as 54.90. Regardless of the length of the decimal or whether there are any decimal places, I would like to display a decimal with 2 decimal places, and I'd like to do it in an efficient way. The purpose is to display money values, e.g., 4898489.00. For the analogous issue with the built-in float type, see limiting floats to 2 decimal points.
The string formatting operations section of the Python documentation contains the answer you're looking for. In short, some examples.
You can use the string formatting operator as so. I'm not sure what you mean by efficient. This is almost certainly not the bottleneck of your application. If your program is running slowly, profile it first to find the hot spots, and then optimize those.
I suppose you're probably using the decimal objects from the decimal module? If you need exactly 2 digits of precision beyond the decimal point with arbitrarily large numbers, you definitely should be, and that's what your question's title suggests. If so, the decimal FAQ section of the docs has a question/answer pair which may be useful for you. Q. In a fixed point application with 2 decimal places, some inputs have many places and need to be rounded. Others are not supposed to have excess digits and need to be validated. What methods should be used? A. The quantize method rounds to a fixed number of decimal places. If the inexact trap is set, it is also useful for validation. The next question reads, Q. Once I have valid 2-place inputs, how do I maintain that invariant throughout an application? If you need the answer to that, along with lots of other useful information, see the aforementioned section of the docs. Also, if you keep your decimals with 2 digits of precision beyond the decimal point, meaning as much precision as is necessary to keep all digits to the left of the decimal point and 2 to the right of it and no more, then converting them to strings with str will work fine.
You should use the new format specifications to define how your value should be represented. The documentation can be a bit obtuse at times, so I recommend the following, easier readable references. The Python String Format Cookbook shows examples of the new style, .format, string formatting. pyformat.info compares the old style %string formatting with the new style, .format, string formatting. Python 3.6 introduced literal string interpolation, also known as f-strings, so now you can write the above even more succinct as.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.